Hey Kipsters, Mr. Washington here with our science video for this week. And today we are going to be making paper houses, all right? So in order to make our paper house, all you will need is a piece of paper. It can be a colored piece of paper or it can be a white one just like mine. You can get some colored pencils or some crayons or some markers so you can color your house and your doors and windows. So once we get our paper, you are going to fold it right down the middle. Okay, fold it like a hamburger. Okay, want to try to make sure our edges are nice and even, touching the whole way. And once it looks even, make sure we get a nice crease right here at the top. We want to get our nice crease right there. Squeeze it down nice and good. All right. Next, you're just gonna open it up. Then you should see this crease right there. And once you see your crease, you're gonna take your top part and you're gonna fold that top part so it's right there touching the inside of that crease. All right. So make sure it's nice and straight. And then do the same thing with the bottom now. Take the bottom part, and it's gonna go right to that crease, right there. We don't want it to make sure it's just touching. Don't want to make it too big or too small. So we'll make sure it's just touching that other line. Good, make sure it's nice and flat, nice and neat. All right, next, we're just gonna flip it over, okay? So we should see the crease this way, and then we're going to flip it just like this, okay? Make sure everything is nice and even, nice and straight. Good, all right, looks good. We open it up. It should look just like this. And then you're gonna take one half and you're just gonna fold it so it touches our crease. Good. You're going to take the other half, fold it so it's touching our crease. Good. All right. All right. Now, once we have our halves touching, we're going to create our roof. So you're just going to take this part and just going to flip it down just like this. So it looks just like that. Okay? And do the same thing to the other half. Flip it down. So it's just like that. Have those creases there. It doesn't have to look perfectly even. And then we're going to flip it over. Good. Now we have our house. Next, we just have to draw our doors and our windows. And if you want, you can add extra stuff to yours too, but I'm just gonna draw my door, my window. So I'm gonna have my door right here. So got a big door. And I'm gonna have my windows right there and right there. So, and like I said, you guys can use those colorful utensils and you can color your picture if you like, color your house, or you can just use your pencils to color the door and the windows. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and can't wait for y'all to go back and try to build your super duper cool paper house. All right, kids, just hope you guys all have a great rest of your week and a awesome summer.